Hi guys, I just got this amazing rug from Rugsreal on Amazon. The price is amazing, especially compared to the features of Ruggable at their price point. And I found this super cute boho print that's going to look great in my mid-century modern beachy-esque home decor choice for my living room. I got the 3x5 because it is the perfect size for my table that I'm styling it under. And the absolute best feature about this is that it is machine washable. So with my kids in my home, it's probably going to be a weekly thing that I can just throw it in the wash. See, here it looks with my table. It's perfect. My son instantly wanted to sit and play on it. Of course, he's got his juice cup, which, ends up on the floor with a leaky top, but no worries because I can just roll it right up and stick it in the wash. And look at how cute this print is. Low pile. You just stick it in. It fits perfectly. 3x5. Start it for a cycle, and good as new. No sense of a stain. I just think it looks so cute. Here's a close-up of the print. Looks amazing styled in my living room. I'm obsessed. I'm going to be buying more for other rooms in my house.